Hello class, in today's video we will be going over everything you need to know before you grow peonies. Peonies are the spring blooming stars of your garden. They have large, showy blooms, heady aromas, and loads of personality. By some estimates, there are as many as 33 different species of them. Peonies are medium-sized, have tuberous roots that are a combination of thick storage roots and thin roots that are designed to absorb water and nutrients. Careful handling of these roots is critical to planting or transplanting peonies, as well as when you are dividing plants to propagate them. So let's figure out everything you need to know before you grow them. Our first area we will be going over is what type of soil that is needed. Peonies are very adaptable, but ideally they like well-drained, slightly acidic soil of a pH level from 6.5 to 7.0. If you are planting in heavy clay soil, amending with a compost or a soil mix labeled for azaleas will make it easier for your peony plant to settle in. Since peonies can remain in the same spot for upwards of 70 years, taking the time to prepare the soil before planting is time well spent. As far as tree peonies go, they like a slightly more alkaline soil than standard herbaceous peonies, and they do not want to compete with other shrubs. Our next area we'll be going over is the type of light that is recommended. Peonies need a location that receives at least 6 hours of sun each day, and a full day of sun is even better. Without sufficient sunlight, you'll get fewer blooms and smaller flowers, and the plants will have a greater risk of fungal diseases. Another area to take into consideration is their watering needs. Peonies need moist, well-drained soil to thrive. Ideally, they should receive 1 to 2 inches of water weekly. They can thrive in relatively wet areas but are not drought resistant. Mulch your peonies to help them retain water and lessen the likelihood of weeds. The last area we'll be going over is fertilizer needs. It is best to feed your peonies lightly with fertilizer, as too much can cause them damage. An annual application of compost mixed with a very small amount of fertilizer around the base of the plant is all that is needed. When you do feed with compost and fertilizer, do it just after the plants have finished blooming. So, there you have it. That's the basics of what you need to know before you grow peonies. If we can get this video to 15 likes, I will do a follow-up video that would cover such things as propagating them, pruning them, and what to do over winter for them. As always, this has been Great Grow, and thanks for watching the video.